So I'm going through a transformation. This is nothing new to me, but it is new to me at the same time because I don't really know where this is going. I had a talk yesterday. Had several talks yesterday. I um I did a talk at an interview for a social media outlet, and then I went to a Asian American actors thing and had a talk there. And it was not planned at all, but it just came together really nicely because I was so in the mode. And this is kind of like my realization that I've had, which is that I am feeling this power and this urge to get into topics beyond the realm of being transgender. It doesn't mean that I would leave the topic of being transgender, but just that it feels like that story is getting old to me in hitting all the points related to being trans, and that the new future for me and what I feel enthusiastic about is now going to start shifting towards the theme of transformation. But I don't really know exactly how it's going to take shape or how it's going to take form. On Wednesday, I had a talk at Johns Hopkins that I gave about how to make a career out of anything, and I thought that was pretty powerful. And then on my interview on Thursday, instead, what we talked about, we talked about transgender, sex, all of that related stuff. But one of the more interesting topics that came out to me was this like notion of estrogen and how it affects your own perception of things, and how women and men see these things differently, and that's kind of fundamental to why that there's so many problems that they find trying to communicate with each other. So yeah, it's kind of led me to some conclusions. I've made some connections. I met some people at the event that are actually, I met Joe, who's going to be in Thailand. So Joe is going to actually show me around Thailand when I'm out there. And I made some other connections, people that are producers working in the industry that might actually be able to help me understand better where to take things, and what to do and where to go. So that's my journal update. I will see you soon. Bye.